Let's talk about the most expensive part of providing a world-class customer experience. Is it the fancy cloud system everyone these days are using? Is it the new AI software that you bought from a Silicon Valley tech company? No. It's the people and teams using these systems and interacting with your customers. So how do you ensure all of the folks in your company and all the software that you purchased and systems in place you set up are utilized to their maximum potential? It's not as easy as throwing a pizza party and asking everyone to put in 110%. We've tried that. Well, what if I painted a world where all of these people and all of these processes were truly giving you the ROI you were promised when you purchased them and when you train them and set them up? Well, let's focus and start on how to get you the most ROI possible by making your people as efficient as they can be. How does that work? Well, by only giving them the right work to do. If your customer representatives and their management are helping customers who absolutely require human touch, then they'll be the most effective possible and provide the biggest impact to that customer and on the overall customer experience. So how do we ensure that they're given the right work? By making sure the self-service options and the AI the customers interact with both work as expected and provide such a positive enough experience that the customers happily interact with it and use it instead of smashing zero, yelling representative, and just simply opting out. Now, the reality of that self-service in AI is that there are thousands upon thousands of different scenarios and permutations that could happen. It's simply not possible to manually check all of the different ways these systems could possibly work together. Anyone telling you otherwise is either blowing smoke or just doesn't see the full potential of work to undertake. I'm not even including all of the, let's say, interesting ways customers can interact with a system that developers never intended to happen. We'll be able to fully understand and ensure all of these permutations, combinations, scenarios, what have you, are working as expected, and or rejecting those interesting customer interactions that only customers can truly interact with the system. So everything is working as designed. So now that the expensive self-service and AIs are fully assured, only the customers who truly need a helping human touch will get to your company representatives. The last thing you want to happen is a customer getting to a representative who asks or chats and requires the customer to give them personal data again, or even asks, hey, why are you here? What can I do for you? Or worse, telling a customer that they were sent to the wrong place and need to be transferred. That's a pain to the customer, awful customer experience, and a huge waste of precious time to the representative. So let us assure that all the data systems and logic to get the customer where they need to go are working as expected. We'll work through all the different customer to representative scenarios, making sure the customers get to where they need to be and the representatives get the right information, all of the correct information that they need to be as productive as possible. Customers getting the right help from the right folks quickly and efficiently, that is maximizing your workforce and investments. Now, we work with customers across all verticals and all geographies across the globe. We know what good customer experience means and what it looks like. Our systems will show you the green, so you'll realize the green, or warn with red where business might suffer. Want to maximize your business by providing the best customer experience possible? That's working with us and us working with you.